Hi all, I am Dr Anjana LR. I have secured 55th rank in All India Ayurvedic PG Entrance Test 2021. I have done my UG from Government Ayurveda College, Tripunithura. I am here to share my experiences during AIAPGET preparations. I have done my coaching from Drona Institute of Ayurveda. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty, my family and my teachers for their support and blessings. The first step I took towards my goal was to opt Drona Institute for coaching. We had interesting and entertaining classes that conveyed pure concepts of Ayurveda along with different techniques to remember them. The weekly exams and their assessments, repeated revisions with perfect timetables, the small study groups we had and the group activities really helped me to stay focused in studies throughout the entire period and to attend the exam well. The most important thing that helped me to keep in track is the individual care that we got here. We had mentors to take care of us. They constantly supported us in our studies, stayed along with us through our ups and downs and always motivated us. Our teachers were always ready to hear us and they helped us to handle every situation in a positive way. They analyze every student and they have plans for students of every range to bring the best out of them. Not all students can study in the same manner for the same duration of time, etc. Everyone have different capacity and caliber and everyone is studying from different backgrounds. But that doesn't count on our eligibility to achieve the goal. Here we need some smart work along with the hard work. Our teachers gave us some special tips and tricks to do that smart work and to improve ourselves each and every time. Sometimes we need to change our usual pattern of studying from first to the last page of the notes. We need to prioritize the topics and do selective studying from the exam point of view. Whenever we approach our teachers with our personal problems that hinders us from studying, they suggest solutions that we can adopt and go ahead with our studies. Dear friends, when we are on our way to achieve our goal, there may be some hurdles that we have to jump, but that should not deviate your path. Maintain your focus and do not close the hope. Thank you.